This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Jackie Kersey. Spacious 4-bed, 2.5 bath home in the Mills at Rocky River is waiting for you to make it your own. This open floor plan home features a beautiful kitchen with stainless steel appliances and large island, perfect for entertaining. Main floor office for those that work from home. The upstairs opens to a large loft, 3 great-sized bedrooms, and an oversized master suite, complete with his and hers walk-in closets. Upstairs laundry room is also A+. The elementary and middle school are conveniently located within the community. Clubhouse with fitness room and resort-style pool, complete with splash pad and slide, will make you wish every day was summer. This is a very friendly neighborhood. Easy access to I-485, shopping, and restaurants. Schedule your showing today. This home